We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock having volatility back and forth, but slightly pushing up higher. And same thing happened here with the overall market and the SPY. And today our SPY bot at 1:15 p.m. sent us out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, call options were up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource as well and join the members using it by receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility in either direction. So here we are with Bbig stock, again slightly pushing up higher but sitting sideways within this consolidation. We're gonna break down the key levels, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and both of them turned out to be a home run. The first one here, we caught it in the pre-market consolidating, and it ran up nearly 10% plus towards the bell, had a pullback, had that full transition into strength, got that bull indicator, and went for a highest point of 25% plus, and that was CASA. And then we have here MDVL. We caught this one pulling downwards and consolidating towards the bell, got a slight bear indicator that lasted about 2 minutes, then it got that bull indicator, shifted into strength, and hit a highest point of 30% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock within the volatility slightly higher than last week's low, and we were at white with red borders on the 30-minute, and I stated this is pretty exciting and something to watch because it could try to reverse back up and bounce up from white with red borders and shifting into some type of strength like it did today. And today it even dipped a little bit below those levels and jumped up nearly 10% plus. So pretty exciting stuff to see it try to push itself higher, but as I stated earlier in the video, it's consolidating within this volatility, but slightly still higher than the recent lows. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators that you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource and join the members using it to receive that clarity and edge over the charts in either direction, guys. Once again, that link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. So Bbig stock was under a bear indicator. We stated it hit white with red borders. We needed to watch if it could try to reverse and come back up, and if a bull indicator popped up to cancel out this bear indicator. And there you got it. It got a bull indicator today, and it went from 249 all the way up to 264, which was nearly a 10 to 20% plus move. But the stock has actually retested back down to these levels and bounced off of it. So there is some strength here within this area and where this bull indicator popped up. But we're going to have to see if it breaks through it and goes back into weakness, or if it could actually find some strength here and go up higher to newer levels. And that's why we're going to talk about some key resistance and support levels here based off today's price action. But we also want to look at the bigger picture, and I'm going to pull up the 4-hour and the 1 day. So when I pull up the 4-hour here, you could see that things are shifting from white with red borders into red with green borders. So when we get that white with red borders, like I stated last week, on the 4-hour and the 30-minute, it's pretty exciting because a reversal is bound to happen. Now, I always state some are stronger than others, some are weaker than others, or this is still in the process and we need to watch these levels carefully, right? But once you hit that white with red borders on the 30-minute and the 4-hour, it's pretty exciting, and it's definitely a dip area to be watching because it lets us see the dips and the rips, right? It goes from white with red borders all the way to green, and then the shifts downwards are from green all the way down to white with red borders to see the transitions of weakness and strength. This is how we're able to maximize within the volatility by seeing the dips and seeing the rips. So right now it's in the second bar, and the last time I tried to reverse, it did 3 of these and then it went into dark green. Now in this process, no bull indicator popped up, and I always stated if no bull indicator popped up, this bear indicator was going to dominate. Now if this goes into further strength and breaks through key resistance levels and the transitions continue, what I'm going to be watching on the 4-hour for BBIG is if it's going to cancel out this bear indicator and get a bull indicator along this move, right? If it continues, that's going to be very important to see and confirm if there's further strength in this, or if it's just another dead cat bounce off the new recent low, or just a momentum that's going to fade very quickly, and this is going to continue to dominate as it has since $3.04 to 5 cents. Now on the 1 day though, we're seeing things continue downwards, right? We're seeing a complete shift here of dark green with red borders into red bars, but no bear indicator just yet. Now we have this bull indicator here which has not been canceled out. If all this pullback happens and we see a reversal start to form and no bear indicator popped up, this bull indicator is still dominating over the chart. Now if eventually in the next few days or this week we see a bear indicator, this bull indicator might be canceled out for the first time in almost a month and a half, or a month per se, right? Because this started around the 14th of March and we're already at the 14th, 15th, 18th of April, right? We've been through all those days, so about a month. So we need to watch this very closely on the 1 day, which is going to be very important to let us know if there's weakness that's going to go further downwards or get very volatile and have trouble going up, or if this bull indicator has been strong since this point at $2.31 back in March, and it's going to continue, and this is all a setup for the next bull run if no bear indicator pops up. So on the 4-hour, we need to watch this reversal, still under a bear indicator. On the 1 day, still under a bull indicator. And on the 30-minute within the volatility, we just got a bull indicator today. So the key levels I'll be watching going into tomorrow will be to the downside, today's support level here and lowest point of 240. That's one of the lowest points that we've seen on the 30-minute in the last several weeks and days. Now, I've talked about here the 243 range. Anything below that is something to watch carefully, and it could signify further weakness. And if it breaks through that, 230s, 228, 229, give or take within that area. If you want to just round it up to 230, you can. And then down here at around $2.10. Those are the key levels to the downside that we've been watching and that I'm watching closely going into tomorrow. But right now, this support here has formed a new low of $2.40 to keep in mind. Now it's currently at the 250s, and to the upside, the highest point of the day was 265. Definitely needs to be broken through and turn into a support. But above that would be up here at 277, and then up here at $2.91. Now, above that point, which is very, very important within holding strength in the chart, would be $3. But we want to watch these levels very carefully going into tomorrow, going into the next few days, and how things react. But $3 is a key resistance level to watch and get broken through to signify real strength over the chart and that the bulls are trying to dominate over this volatility, guys. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some